Everywhere you look, people are drinking whey protein shakes to stay strong. The gym guys swear by it. Hacks tell you it's the secret to muscle. But here's the truth: whey protein is not the ultimate answer, especially if you are over 50. As we age, our body needs more than just a quick shake, it needs real nutrition. And there is a humble food, something you've probably seen sitting quietly on the shelf, that can build muscle, fight weakness, and literally kill sarcopenia better than whey protein. And no, it's not expensive, it's not fancy, and it's not hidden in a supplement jar. Sarcopenia is a silent thief of muscle. After 40, you begin losing 1 to 2% of your muscle every year. After 60, the decline speeds up, nearly 3% muscle loss annually if you don't act. Picture this: a 65-year-old who used to be active now struggles to carry groceries, climb stairs, or even get up from a chair without support. That's not just aging, it's sarcopenia stealing independence. Sarcopenia increases the risk of falls and fractures, leading cause of hospitalization in seniors, slower recovery from illness or surgery, diabetes, and obesity. Because less muscle means slower metabolism. And worst of all, it shortens lifespan. Most people think whey protein shakes will fix it, but here's the truth. Whey is popular for a reason. It's fast digesting and easy to mix in a shake. But here's the problem for older adults. It's often ultra processed with sugar, flavorings, and fillers. Many seniors experience bloating, indigestion, or discomfort after drinking it. Whey protein spikes amino acids quickly, but the effect fades fast. Your body can't hold on to it long enough to build and maintain steady muscle growth. And crucially, whey is protein only. It doesn't provide the other nutrients aging muscles and bones desperately need. That's why depending only on whey is like fueling your car with gas but never checking the oil, tires, or water. It just doesn't cover all the bases. As we check out this food, please take a few seconds to like the video, subscribe to Green Health channel, and remember to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever there is a new upload on this channel. Yes, lentils. Those tiny legumes are one of the best kept secrets in fighting sarcopenia. Here's why. Rich in protein, just 1 cup of cooked lentils has about 18 grams of protein, comparable to a scoop of whey, but from a natural source. Isoleucine, the exact amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis, the actual process of building new muscle fibers, packed with magnesium and potassium, essential for muscle contraction, preventing cramps, and maintaining strength. Loaded with iron, keeps oxygen flowing to your muscles so they don't fatigue easily. Slow digesting. Unlike whey that burns fast, lentils release protein steadily, keeping muscles nourished for hours. Fiber and plant compounds. Regulates blood sugar, improves gut health, and reduces inflammation, all critical for seniors fighting muscle loss. And the best part, lentils are gentle on digestion, affordable, and versatile. You don't need to choke down a chalky powder. You can enjoy them in soups, stews, or even as a side dish. Let's imagine two 65-year-olds, Mr. John and Mr. Ahmed. Mr. John relies on whey shakes. He drinks them daily, but he often feels bloated, gassy, and hungry again 2 hours later. His muscles aren't improving much because his body burns through whey too quickly. Mr. Ahmed, on the other hand, adds a bowl of lentil soup to his meals 3 times a week. Within weeks, his energy stabilizes, his digestion improves, and combined with light exercises, his muscle strength comes back steadily. Both men wanted the same result, stronger muscles, but one chose a quick fix powder while the other chose real food packed with nature's muscle building power. Protein quality. Whey equals fast and short lived. Lentils equals steady, long lasting fuel. Digestibility. Whey often causes gas and bloating. Lentils are fiber rich and gut friendly. Nutrition profile. Whey equals protein only. Lentils equals protein and minerals and fiber and antioxidants. Cost. Whey tubs are expensive. Lentils, dead cheap and available in every local market. Studies show plant-based proteins like lentils not only maintain muscle but also extend lifespan by lowering risk of heart disease and diabetes. If whey is like fast food for your muscles, lentils are like a full balanced meal that supports your whole body. Eat lentils 3 to 4 times a week in soups, stews, or salads. Pair with a vitamin C rich food like tomatoes or lemon juice to boost iron absorption. Combine with grains like rice or quinoa to create a complete protein source. Seniors should aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal. So lentils can be a powerful addition to breakfast omelets, lunch bowls, or hearty dinners. For muscle growth, always combine lentils with resistance exercise, body weight squats, light dumbbells, resistance bands. Food fuels the muscle, but exercise activates it. Studies in nutrition journals have shown that plant-based proteins like lentils can match or even outperform whey protein when it comes to preserving muscle in older adults. Why? Because lentils are rich in leucine and lysine, two amino acids crucial for building new muscle fibers. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that adults who ate legumes regularly maintained more lean muscle mass than those who relied only on animal protein powders. Another study found that lentil-based diet lowered inflammation and improved insulin sensitivity, which means muscles can actually use protein more effectively. Unlike whey, which spikes amino acids quickly, lentils keep muscles nourished for longer, leading to steady repair and growth. Here's the bottom line. Science confirms lentils don't just feed your muscles, they protect them from breakdown over time. Here's the truth. Even if you eat protein, many seniors are still losing muscle because of these eating mistakes. Eating all their protein in one meal. Most other adults have a heavy dinner but little protein at breakfast or lunch. Your body can only use about 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal for muscle repair. Spread it out evenly instead. Skipping resistance training. Protein alone doesn't build muscle. Exercise is the signal that tells your body, hey, we need these muscles. Without it, the protein just turns into energy or fat. Relying too much on powders. Shakes can help, but whole foods like lentils provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber that powders can never replace. Not drinking enough water. Muscles are 75% water. If you are dehydrated, your body struggles to use protein effectively, no matter how much you eat. Avoid these mistakes and you will double the muscle preserving power of lentils or any protein source you choose. So let's be real. Muscle loss isn't about age, it's about choices. Forget relying on whey protein powders that only give you half the solution. Lentils provide protein, minerals, fiber, and steady energy that your body actually needs to fight sarcopenia. Now, imagine yourself 10 years from today, still walking strong, still carrying your groceries, Still independent. That's the future lentils. Paired with the right lifestyle can help you build. So let me ask you, are you willing to swap one powder for one powerful bowl of lentils? Comment yes if you are ready to fight sarcopenia naturally. So forget whey protein. If you truly want to build muscle, stay strong, and kill sarcopenia as you age, start looking at your pantry, not the supplement shelf. Lentils are nature's slow burning muscle building powerhouse. If you are serious about staying strong after 50, try adding lentils to your meals and see the difference for yourself. Now, I'd love to know, which do you prefer? Protein powders or real food like lentils? Share your answer in the comments below and let's talk about it. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Always remember that green health cares.